Anthony Burgess thinks Kubrick's A Clockwork Orange missed the point of his novel. The novel, A Clockwork Orange 1962, the film, A Clockwork Orange 1971, here's another dig at Stanley Kubrick. According to Anthony Burgess, Kubrick missed the entire point of his novel, which, as per Burgess, is about redemption. Burgess also took exception to Kubrick's use of graphic violence and how the movie turned a group of rapists and murderers into pop culture icons. In his own words, the book I am best known for, or only known for, is a novel I am prepared to repudiate. Written a quarter of a century ago, a Jew desperate knocked off for money in 3 weeks. It became known as the raw material for a film which seemed to glorify sex and violence. The film made it easy for readers of the book to misunderstand what it was about, and the misunderstanding will pursue me till I die. I should not have written the book because of this danger of misinterpretation. More Anthony Burgess, the best Anthony Burgess books, 75 of 208, the best science fiction authors, 29 of 108, the best Catholic authors. E.B. White wished Charlotte's Web wasn't turned into a musical. E.B. White wished Charlotte's Web wasn't turned into a musical. Clive Cussler hated Sahara so much that he sabotaged the movie. Clive Cussler hated Sahara so much that he sabotaged the movie. Roald Dahl disliked most of Willy Wonka, including Gene Wilder. Roald Dahl disliked most of Willy Wonka, including Gene Wilder. Bret Easton Ellis thinks cinema requires a male gaze, and American Psycho doesn't work. J.D. Salinger was so appalled by My Foolish Heart, he swore off Hollywood forever. T.L. Travers cried during the premiere of Mary Poppins.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.